common customer reaction to the product is how simple it is to use. If they can push the power button, pair it to an end user device, they can be up and operational with a mesh network in minutes.
Wow factor, right? So simple yet so effective. The light bulb tends to come on pretty quick for people once they see it.
The simplicity of it is the key. Going through the training, that's my primary role, is working through customers in the training. Once they understand the basic principles of the radio, it becomes very intuitive.
Being able to provide a common operating picture, and I think that's been our focus, and everything that goTenna says it does.
They often don't believe that it's so small, so simple, so easy to use. The range is really impressive with it. Often there's lots of companies out there that overpromise and underdeliver, and they don't believe what it says, on the packaging or in the marketing materials, and, goTenna delivers what it claims to do.